Hello and welcome, my name is Ash. Today I'll be unboxing the Aramid Fiber phone case by Mous and giving you also my early impressions of it. So, to start, let's talk about the packaging. So the packaging is as simple as you'd expect for the case. Slim, compact, and to the point. The case costs £49, but if you're a new customer, you can actually get a 10% discount. Pretty nifty if you want an amazing case with awesome protection for a brand new phone, especially for a phone like the iPhone 13 Pro Max. Let's open it up, shall we? Warning, magnetic field. The product is fitted with magnets, pacemaker and ICDs. Users are advised not to position the product within 10 centimeters radius of their implant device. It may cause interference. Okay, so there's a little bit of a warning there, and that is the packaging for it, and that's the case. Wow, it's quite nice actually. It's really special. So this case has a gel layer on the surrounding area of the case, which protects the phone from any nasty damage when dropped. Obviously, I won't be trying that because, hey, I'm not crazy and I don't like intentionally causing damage to my phone. And if you look at the case here as well, you will see there is a circular bit here and there is this bit here as well. This is the magnet area for MagSafe. So basically it will extend to the forward front of the phone so that you can use any MagSafe accessories. Right, so now that we have the case and the phone together, I am going to put the iPhone 13 Pro Max into the new case to see how it fits. Alright, so let's get this in. Oh, sorry, 1 second. So I'm just putting it in. It fits quite well. There we go. It's all in. Right, so far I have put the case on the phone, and as you can see, it has a wonderful design. It really looks good on the phone. If you look on the corners, you can see it's got everything cut out perfectly, as well as the charging port and speakers, the buttons on the side. And as you can see on the phone, it has a raised edge on the top corner and on the bottom corner. So this prevents any damage when it falls face flat. As you can see, it's a bit hard, but it has that raised lip, so the screen is actually protected. If I light it up, you should be able to see it. Yeah, so you can see it's raised. Thank you for watching the video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you'd like to see more content, please leave a comment in the comment section below, leave a like, and subscribe. Thank you.